Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. As you know, if you've been following my other videos, I've been working on this very strange computer build. And one of the things that I need to do is connect several USB devices to the inside of this. Well, I need to connect at least 2 of them, but I only have a header for one USB device right here. It's like a half USB header. So since I need at least 2, but probably 3 USB connectors, what I will be doing is taking this old USB hub that I have. Now, don't be fooled by the color white here. This is a USB 2.0 hub, not a 1. Whatever hub. So I'm going to be taking this old hub that is unpowered and external and making it so it is a powered hub and an internal hub. So I can plug it directly into the motherboard and then plug internal USB devices into these USB plugs here. So it's a 4-port hub. And I will be basically replacing this connector here with this connector here. Now I'm only using 3 wires because I'm not using the 5 volt from the USB. Instead, I'll be using an auxiliary 5 volt from that connector that I showed earlier that I added, this one right here. That will make it so it can draw more current and theoretically power more devices. Hopefully the circuit board of this little hub can handle that. If not, I guess we'll find out. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take this apart and solder these on and show you the end result. As you can see, I have the case taken off, and I'll be soldering this cable, the power cable, directly onto the motherboard here. And then I'm going to go ahead and reuse the wires and this shielding and just swap these connectors here. Alright, so I went ahead and soldered the power connector to the negative here and the positive here. So why did I solder here instead of over here to the positive and the negative? Well, I used a continuity tester to find some stronger solder points that connected directly to the negative and the positive. So it's just the multimeter with the continuity tester. When you press the contacts in, it beeps. And sorry, when you touch the contacts together, it beeps. So this is a much stronger connection and easier to solder than these. So I like to look for alternatives that are easy to solder. Now you could do the same thing with the red and black wires from a SATA connector instead of this strange fan header thing that I'm using. Like if you wanted to just take a SATA adapter like this and then just use the black and red wires, you could power a hub like this as well, the same way. Okay, I have all the wires soldered on. Now I just need to check for any shorts I might have made and put some insulation over those wires. Alright, so there is the finished product. I just need to plug it in and make sure it works now. Here we have it all connected, so it's time to give it a test with a sacrificial USB drive. So we have it connected to the 5 volts there, and then connected to the one free USB 2.0 header there. Alright, it is powered on now, and you can see the power light is on, so that's good. And it does look like the drive is showing up. The drive is right there, and you can see all the files in it, so everything seems to be working fine. Now I just have to figure out how to mount this in my case. So that's how you can turn a external USB 2 hub into an internal USB powered hub. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Every subscriber helps and I appreciate you all. Have a great day.